Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Anga video, and today is going to be the 26th video in the series. We're going to be showing you guys how to actually style uh, the page that we have over here, the WordPress theme that we have over here. Other than Bootstrap, you could override it by something called sass. And basically, guys, it's just this super style sheets that I have in the projects, and you could just download the project from GitHub. I have it for free. And afterwards, you're just going to go into a project directory. Make sure you're just in the project directory or will not work. Let's clear that and do an npm install. Or I did that before, so that's why I have my node modules over here. But you're gonna find out a new folder called node modules, so just don't be worried. This is just the node package manager files or packages. So let's clear that over here, and then we're gonna do something called npm run watch. And basically, what we're doing is very simply, let me save after running this command. Alright, let me just close all of this. I have this new PowerShell over here and just an empty one. I just opened up an empty one. Alright, so right now we have Laravel mix running in the back. If I save this, you could see that Webpack are compiled successfully. So if you go into the app.css right now, this is just a new app.css that's compiled by the Laravel mix file and the super style sheet. So let me just paste out the styles. I just added some styles today. So let me just save that. And if we go into app.css, you're gonna find that all the styles I just added, it's not empty anymore. I didn't add any code to it. Basically, it's just compiled all the code that I read in app.css I copied and pasted some code I read before, so I just don't waste your time. So let me just refresh that, and you're gonna find out we have some styling added. The links are a little bit different because I added these page items. And I also added some stylings over here that not all these are working. I'm just testing it out. I can remove this, and yep. So that's basically it. This video is not gonna be really long. I'm not gonna style the whole website, but let me guys know if you actually want me to style with you every single like page like in this course, or would you like me to like continue explaining like logic in the WordPress theme? So let me know in the video what you guys want. And this is basically it. This is basically how you add some Laravel styling, some sass styling to your uh, WordPress theme. And that's basically it. We're not gonna be doing anything very specific today, but if you guys want me to actually style each and every page, I'm gonna do that within the next video. Just let me know in the comments. So see you guys in the next video. Comment and like, subscribe. This was Angry Video. Peace.